Meanwhile, the big story of the day, the nature of the attack on the house of Kapil Sibal became much more clear. Remember, the protests had taken place yesterday night, but today the pictures emerged. In fact, let me first bring you up to speed with why his house saw demonstrations by the Congress. He had said yesterday in a press conference that it's unclear now who the Congress president is and who is making decisions in the party. By evening, his house was घेराव out by Congress workers who held up Get Well Soon placards, vandalized his car, and even threw tomatoes at his house. There you see the car that has been vandalized. The reason is because Congress workers were standing on top of it. But what was surprising, though, the vehemence with which this intimidation was criticized by those within the Congress. From the G23 members who criticized it as quote-unquote orchestrated hooliganism to those who sought action against the protesting Congress workers. Senior party members and even former ministers, former MPs expressed shock and disgust that internal democracy was being ruthlessly stamped out. In fact, many leaders who so far had not even sided with the so-called G23, the rebels, today also spoke up and said that perhaps now for them, silence is the best recourse. But the stronger section of the Congress instead argued that today those who are complaining never had a problem with the Congress's style of functioning when they themselves were enjoying the perks of power.
हमारी कमान कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहा है और ऐसे आदमी पे विश्वास किया जिसने विश्वासघात किया आपके साथ। अगर आप एक स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट को गिरा देते हैं तो आप देश में कैसे सरकार लाएंगे, सबसे बड़ा प्रश्न ये है। और अगर G23 जिनको बोलते हैं उनके घर के बाहर प्रदर्शन करना, अगर वो कोई सुझाव देते हैं तो यूथ कांग्रेस उनके घर के बाहर प्रदर्शन करती है, बिल्कुल गलत है।
So is this a stamping out of democracy, or basically the Congress High Command saying, listen, we decide how this party is going to be run. Anyone who agrees can stay on. Anyone who has problems can either shut up or they can leave. Joining us on the debate, Tom Vadakkar, national spokesperson of the BJP, political analyst Ramneek Mann, political analyst Dushyant Nagar, spokesperson of Punjab Congress, Prince Khullar, former Union Minister Natwar Singh will be joining me in just a bit. But my first question is to leader of the Congress, Acharya Pramod Krishnam. Congress kept talking about democracy and freedom of speech being in danger in the country. Acharya ji, then why is it that when Kapil Sibal exercises that freedom of speech, उनको टमाटर मिलते हैं?
देखिए पदमजा, कपिल सिब्बल कांग्रेस के बहुत ही वरिष्ठ नेता हैं और कांग्रेस लीडरशिप